If you're looking for a fast and easy way to automate new hire paperwork digitally, this quick guide is exactly what you need. Whether you're onboarding 1 employee or 20, I'll walk you through the fastest way to go fully digital, eliminate manual tasks, and save hours per hire. I've tested the most popular tools out there, and I'll show you which one actually works best. Plus, there's an exclusive free trial for viewers of my channel in the description if you want to follow along. Let's get right into it. Start by using a platform that combines digital forms, e-signatures, document storage, and workflow automation in one place. Most businesses waste time bouncing between PDFs, email threads, and scanners. That's what we're eliminating. After testing Bamboo HR, Gusto, Deal, and Zoho People, my go-to recommendation is Insert Preferred Software. There. It's the fastest to set up and requires zero technical background. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to your onboarding or hiring module. From there, create a new onboarding workflow. This is where you'll bundle all your standard forms: offer letter, W-4, I-9, direct deposit, company policies, into one automated sequence. Next, use templates. Don't rewrite forms for every new employee. You can upload your existing PDFs or use built-in templates. Insert dynamic fields like employee name, role, start date, and salary. These fields autofill based on your input, so it feels customized without any extra effort. Now, add e-signature fields to each document. This turns every form into a signable document right inside the platform. No printing, no scanning. Here's where the real time saving begins. Set conditional logic. For example, if you hire a remote employee, the system can automatically add extra tax forms or home office policies to their packet. No more manual sorting. Once your workflow is ready, test it with a dummy hire to make sure the sequence and email reminders go out correctly. Everything should trigger automatically, from a welcome email to a final confirmation once documents are signed. You can also set reminders for managers or IT to complete their parts, like provisioning accounts or preparing equipment. This keeps the entire process in sync. Finally, every completed document is stored securely in the employee's profile, automatically organized and accessible when needed. No more digging through folders. The beauty of this system? Once it's set up, you never have to touch it again unless you want to tweak something. Every new hire goes through the exact same professional, streamlined experience automatically. The key takeaway? Automating new hire paperwork digitally isn't just possible. It's fast, scalable, and saves you from headaches down the road. You cut out repetitive tasks, ensure compliance, and give your new team members a smooth first impression. Quick recap. Use an all-in-one platform, build reusable templates, set up dynamic fields and e-signatures, use conditional logic for different hire types, automate emails, tasks, and reminders, store everything in one secure location. If you're serious about making this work in your company, I highly recommend trying the exclusive free trial of the software in the description. It's only available through my channel, and it's the fastest way to follow along with what you just saw. That's it. Short, actionable, and ready to implement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial below.